Where are we, Mark Raumaker?
Lake Nona.
Why are we here?
New listing.
What's cool about it?
Everything.
When someone is buying a home, the hardest thing to balance is the location versus the actual home.
Right, you want the house to check all the boxes, but you also want the convenience of a great neighborhood and community.
Well, with our new listing in Laureate Park, you won't have to compromise on either of those things, and we're excited to show you.
Yeah. The first thing I love about this house is the fantastic curb appeal. It's beautiful. You have great landscaping and a huge oversized front porch, pavered, where you can sit and hang out and drink coffee, say hi to your neighbors.
Or a glass of wine.
Or a glass of wine. It's awesome.
One of my favorite things about this house when you first walk in the door is you notice the rich, dark, gorgeous hardwood floors throughout the entire first floor.
Yeah, it's a good contrast with the white walls and the natural light that comes into, and then the kitchen is outstanding.
Oh, the kitchen, there's so many cabinets, so much counter space, double oven, huge island. I can picture throwing wonderful, fun dinner parties and also an intimate dinner for two.
That's right. And right off the kitchen is this fantastic dining room where you can still see everybody in the kitchen, hang out. There's cabinets and drawers over here for good storage. And then right here you can see the two French doors that lead out to that beautiful patio I was talking about earlier.
Yeah, when people say open floor plan, this is what they mean.
100%. There's also an office right over there too with French doors where you can, it's kind of a flex space office. Attached to the dining room and the kitchen with the open floor plan is the living room where you can hang out, watch TV, still be in the same world as the dining room kitchen. And it's really great for everybody to just be together all at once, right? And beautiful custom accent wall made of stone. It's so nice to look at, and the ceilings are so tall here too. It's just a really, really great space.
And the huge master bedroom, master bathroom, my favorite part of the home. Upstairs, you have everybody's favorite feature, the bonus room of the loft. But what's super cool is that this loft, you kind of have to step up to get into it, and it's hardwood floors, so it's kind of unique.
Yeah, also 3 bedrooms up here and 2 full baths, which is really, really great up here.
Okay, so 3 bedrooms up, a master down, that's only 4 bedrooms. I thought this was a 5-bedroom house.
It is. Oh, I didn't tell you about the apartment above the garage.
The what?
Yeah, full bedroom, full bathroom, and a kitchen. Okay, let's talk really quick about this amazing community.
Okay, so we're in Laureate Park, which is in Lake Nona, which is one of the fastest growing communities in the Orlando area. Yeah. And it's because the residents have everything they need right at their fingertips. We're talking parks and walking and biking trails and top-rated schools and shopping.
Yeah, they also have their own local restaurant called Canvas, their own local gym, LP Fitness, and the Laureate Park Aquatic Center, exclusively for its residents.
Oh, fancy.
I know. Great house, great community, great neighborhood. Check, check, check.
Yeah, in fact, I don't want to go home. We're going to go get some food and enjoy the Laureate Park amenities.
Yeah, and you should too. So message us today, Mark and Sarah Raumaker with the Home Squad at eXp Realty to set up your private showing.
Thanks for stopping by.
See ya.
Is such a great contrast. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
And also the Laureate Park Aquatic Center, exclusively to residents.
Exclusively? How fancy.
Yeah. It's very customized.
Accent wall.